Guys, I have missed all of you. It has been 2 weeks since I've been in here, and I had to take last week off in honor of Prince. There's nothing so deep as losing a beloved dear pet friend, and so it just felt appropriate for me to take that day off and allow for some space and time. And we are back, and I have missed all of you. If you guys want to keep up to date with all of my crypto stuff, crypto content, daily crypto videos, which I can proudly say I've been keeping my followers on the right side of things when it comes to the crypto markets, check out and go subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will leave a link in the description below. Of course, if you're new here, please make sure you're subscribed and hit the thumbs up on your way in, as I do appreciate that. Let's talk about 2 weeks ago, I called for a pullback around November 4th and 5th. I do believe that we are going to continue to see a pullback through these next 2 weeks. I go through some conventional and also some very unconventional ways of timing and predicting the crypto markets on my own channel. So if you guys want to know why and how I called these dates, please do check out and subscribe to my channel. On the 50-day chart and some technical analysis for Bitcoin, we're seeing resistance at around 64K and support at around the 55 to 60K level. If we fail to hold 60K, I do expect us to pull back. I do not see us going lower than 55K. We might dip in a little bit to the 54K range, but I do believe we are going to find support at that level. And honestly, after these next 2 weeks, I do believe we are off to the races when it comes to the crypto markets. We have the Taproot upgrade also happening with Bitcoin. So that is a very positive catalyst that is to come. I also want to talk about some altcoins to look out for. There's going to be a couple, many that I'm going to name in this video. By the way, I've called many gems that have done exceptionally well. So if you got into them, congratulations. I think Phantom was one of them. Harmony One was also one of them, among some other coins as well. But this month, you guys want to keep a lookout for Solana. I do believe it's going to hit about 280 at least. And also Polkadot as well, with the new parachain slot auctions that are rolling out this month. This is a very, very positive catalyst for Polkadot, which trades under the ticker DOT, D-O-T. Speaking of altcoins, we're going to talk about some Metaverse altcoins as well and why they rallied, but we're going to talk about why they rallied first, okay? Facebook recently announced that it is going to roll out its own version of the Metaverse. Now, if you don't know what the Metaverse is, I did a very special report on my channel talking about the Metaverse. I'm not going to talk about it here. I will leave a link in the description below for you guys to check out. Essentially, it is a digital world that exists that is as real and tangible, maybe not to the physical senses, but there is validity to its existence and all the assets and things that exist in the Metaverse. I even foresee social media going from 2D flat images to us talking, walking in the Metaverse and interacting there, which I'm going to talk about in a little bit. But do check out that video. When Facebook announced that they were going to announce their Metaverse, that they're going into the Metaverse and they're calling their company Meta, this saw an amazing rally in Metaverse coins such as Decentraland and Sandbox as well. There were some other coins that rallied too, but these two did, I think, about like a 3x, 300% within the last week. This is all very important, guys. We have to position ourselves for what is to come. And what is to come is going to be a digital world. Now, some people might like it, other people might not. Facebook, social media, the internet revolutionized everything. Web 2.0 revolutionized everything. but Web 3.0 is going to be something beyond anything we can fathom. And so that's why Microsoft, Facebook, all these big companies are jumping in and getting into the metaverse to see how they can capitalize on this opportunity. And I think I mentioned this already, but the next big things, of course, other than blockchain, is going to be crypto gaming and also anything that has to do with virtual or augmented reality. And I talk about these things on my channel as well. So definitely something that I'm very, very passionate about because I see we're going there. There's really no stopping this forward momentum of things becoming digital. Let's move forward now and talk about gold and silver with some special announcements that I have towards the end of the channel. So at the time of this video, gold is sitting above 1800, about 1880, and silver above 2415. We have seen a nice rally on Friday. And I wanted to give some price predictions during this video as well. Silver is massively undervalued, okay? Silver is massively undervalued. Conservatively, $30 silver is something I foresee coming. $2,000 gold, which we already hit during the thick of the pandemic, is something that is totally feasible as well within the next couple of months, especially with the fears of inflation that are being just presented all over the place. The writing is on the wall. And fear is usually what pumps up precious metals. Of course, we got to take in factors such as the manipulation and all the paper precious metals that are being dumped on this market. But I do foresee us looking back one day at these precious metals prices and realizing how cheap they really were. Excellent store of value. There are some flaws with precious metals. I am daring to say there's pros and cons to everything. Okay. Cryptocurrencies, pros and cons. Precious metals, pros and cons. Something I've been super passionate about recently is bridging the world between these two asset classes. And I was fortunate enough, it's a company that I talked about as a gem of the week a long time ago. We managed to get a collaboration in place. I'm not going to talk about it quite yet. When it does happen, I'm very excited to share with you guys because this is where the world is headed. The digital and the physical are merging together more and more and more. And we need to be on the right side of things. We need to take advantage of these opportunities because I promise you there are life-changing opportunities. If you've missed out, and I'm not trying to put out any FOMO or anything. FOMO is a hell of a drug, okay? Don't FOMO, okay? Don't listen to this video and be like, "Oh my God, I need to do this. I need to go." No. There's plenty of opportunities if you so allow yourself to relax and seek them with a calm and steady mind. And so with this collaboration, one of my dreams has come into fruition, and that is bridging both of these asset classes and kind of eliminating the pros and cons of both asset classes. But there's more on this to come, so definitely stay tuned, and I look forward to mentioning it in my future videos. Anyways, guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you found value. Please do check out the Metaverse video that I published. Also, subscribe to my channel for daily crypto updates and content about freedom. I believe in freedom of speech, thought, and action, and I think these values should permeate our society more and more every day because life is so much more fun when you are liberated. And that is my goal personally and with whatever it is that I share with the world. With that said, guys, please give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you guys next week on Saturday or on my own channel here. Wishing you guys so much love and so much abundance. And I hope all your dreams come true this next week. I'll see you guys very soon. Take care.